everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to mute charts on Viber. Let's say you want to mute a chart. For example, let's say you belong to a group, like I belong to this group, the popular group. I want to mute the chart. What do I do? So tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You see there's no option for muting charts. But if you tap on the chart's name, you will see to give you this option. You can also get it here. You can also get it here by sliding to the left. Then scroll all the way down. You can see there's snooze for 30 days. You can snooze it for 30 days. While there's some that actually allow you to mute the chart, how you will know is you see the option for mute chart. So for this particular one, there's no option. Let's look at the next one. So we slide to the left. You can see there's no option for this one. Let's try this one. So tap on three dots at the top right corner, no option. Slide to the left. You can see the option for mute chart. Then you can now mute the conversation. You can do it for an hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or always. Now it's your personal chat. Then you have maybe in a group. You can also do the same thing. Don't tap on the three dots, just slide to the right. You see the option for mute chat. So as you can see this, let's see this option for mute chat here. You only have the option for snooze. So for mostly groups or channels, you have option for snooze. So for chats, you have mute chat.